Hi guys, I'm Diksha and today I'm going to show you 5 simple skincare rituals you should start now. Before I begin, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. The first skincare you should adopt immediately is double cleansing. First with a cleansing oil or micellar water and then with a foaming face wash. Personally, I prefer using the Lakme micellar water. Its magnetic micelles penetrate deep to extract makeup, dirt, and pollutants, ensuring a thorough cleansing of the skin. After that, I follow up with the Simple Creme Cleanser enriched with 11% ceramide boosters and hyaluronic acid. It leaves the skin thoroughly cleansed and nourished. The second step in your skincare routine is to choose a targeted day treatment. This involves using a specific serum designed to address particular skincare concerns. If you desire a radiant and dewy complexion, consider the Lakme Dew Drama Serum, enriched with vitamin F to lock in moisture and vitamin B3 for maintaining soft and youthful skin. And if you're aiming to reduce skin pigmentation, opt for the Lakme Vitamin C Plus Face Serum. Packed with vitamin C, it fights free radicals in the atmosphere, resulting in a brighter and improved overall skin tone. The third essential ritual is applying SPF, not just on your face but also on your body. I'm currently enjoying the Pond's Serum Sunscreen. It's a non-oily, non-sticky, ultra-light, cream-based sunscreen infused with niacinamide C serum and SPF. For the body, my go-to is the Vaseline Sun Protect Lotion. With added vitamin C and vitamin B3, it not only protects but also calms and soothes the skin. One skincare ritual that I consistently incorporate is indulging in weekly skin treatments. I opt for the simple clay mask to eliminate impurities, unclog pores, and achieve a healthy-looking glow. Additionally, I follow up with the Lakme Strawberry Sheet Mask. It's like giving my face a fruity facial glow. What I like to do is massage the excess liquid onto my face using my fingers. Lastly, it's important to have a targeted night treatment, focusing on specific products in your nighttime skincare routine. I use the Pond's Age Miracle Serum, which is an anti-aging serum containing retinol to diminish fine lines and wrinkles, along with vitamin E to nourish the skin. Following that, I use the Pond's Hydrating Night Gel. This gel rehydrates and strengthens the skin's natural defense, preventing moisture loss. So guys, these were the 5 simple skincare rituals you should start now. Before you go, like, share, and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!